Various city policies over the years had imposed restrictions on drivers, making commuting more difficult and expensive. Equally, at the same time, the city had been introducing more benefits for the non-drivers, including reasonable priced fares on the new SkyTrain, and encouraging people to use it. Vancouver's SkyTrain system currently operates on 3 lines: the Expo line, the Millennium line, and the Canada line, with a total of 53 stations. It was completed 5th of August 2009 at a cost of $1.9 million Canadian dollars. This line operates as both an airport rail link and a commuter line between downtown Vancouver, Richmond, and Vancouver International Airport. SkyTrain was always conceived as a legacy project of Expo 86. The fair's theme was transportation and communication. And 19.2 kilometres, 11.9 miles of track. The main line runs from Vancouver to Richmond.
This train is for Richmond Brighouse. Gara 49.
From British Columbia Rapid Transport Company, which operates SkyTrain's Expo and Millennium lines, but it's considered a part of the SkyTrain network. Using fully automated trains on elevated and deep-level running lines. These trains, however, are powered by conventional motors with third rail electrical pickup rather than the linear induction system used on the other SkyTrain lines. Station construction was designed as a 2-stage process. 16 original stations opened at the same time as the line did. 3 additional stations are planned and may be built in the future. To keep costs down, all the trains are fully automated. Ticket machines will accept both cash and credit cards. There are staff at every station, but their role is purely to move the passengers through the stations. All these savings have meant that this network can reinvest in the infrastructure and services. All 3 lines are well used, clean, frequent, cost-effective, well managed, and link into other forms of city transport.
The next station is Terminus Station, Waterfront. Connect here to the Expo line, C-Bus, and West Coast Express. Exit here for the R5 Hastings Street Rapid Bus.
The continuing expansion of the network means these lines are reaching out into the suburbs, and no single journey is more than 45 minutes to the city centre. The travelling public consists of the commuter, the casual day tripper, along with the ever-increasing number of tourists who benefit from this cheap and frequent service. Other cities from around the globe could learn a lot from this system. If you build a transport system on budget to places people wish to go to at a price that is cheaper than using their own transport, then it is, likely as here, to be well used.